Hey friends, this is Toys Unlocked, and I'm so excited to be opening day 4 of the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar for Christmas 2020. Let's take a look. So at this point, I've just pretty much given up on the hamster. I feel like it was a pipe dream, and you know what? It's happening! I can't even feel my face right now because I'm so excited about this silly Lego hamster. Oh, look at his forehead. It has a little blaze on it, and he's this beautiful kind of creamy light color. I'm making him sound like food because he's so cute. I just want to eat him up. I don't even know what to do with myself right now except to build him this little platform and give him a name like Clarence maybe. Let's pop Clarence up here. And oh my gosh, you guys, have you ever seen anything so adorable in all of your lives? Okay, let's give him a pretzel. You know, I thought seeing the pretzel in person would answer questions like, why does Clarence have a pretzel? Did he ask for a pretzel for Christmas? Did Emma ask for a pretzel for Christmas? Is she going to eat the pretzel? Is he going to eat the pretzel? Is a pretzel a festive holiday item? I have no idea. What I do know is that Clarence can sit on her hand. Ah! This is too cute. Emma, you're holding a hamster in your hand, and you obviously used the pretzel to tame him, now that I think about it. And look, we can put Clarence right here by the fire so he can warm his little paws underneath the stocking, or we could even pop him off and put him up here on the holly. I don't know if holly is poisonous to hamsters. He won't eat it. He's too full from eating the pretzel. Look, here's how Emma tamed him. She will tempt him with the pretzel. She will reward him when he listens. Get down off that mantle. That is no safe place for a hamster. You guys, this was so exciting. I don't even know what I'm going to talk about now that we got the hamster on day 4. I'm sure there are more amazing surprises in days 5 through 24, so please tune in to see what else is in this advent calendar. Goodbye, everyone.